In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDFs in Figma. If you've ever wanted to take your design out of Figma and transform it into a PDF, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. To begin, you'll want to open up Figma. You can either type Figma into your web browser or use the Figma desktop app, whichever is your preference. Once you're there, navigate toward the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login information. If you haven't created an account yet, you can sign up using your email address or through a Google account. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. You should see a comprehensive view of your recent files and team projects here, making it easy to find exactly what you need. From here, you'll want to click on the design file you wish to export. It might take a few seconds to load, especially if it's a more intricate design, so be patient. Now that we're inside the design, it's crucial to check everything looks as you want it before turning it into a PDF. Review your frames and ensure all elements are in place. We want to avoid any quirks or mismatches in the final document. Next, direct your attention to the main menu. This is typically located at the top left of the Figma interface. Clicking here will bring up a list of options. Within this menu, you should see the File option. Go ahead and click on that, you're almost there. Under the File menu, scroll down to find the Export Frames to PDF option. Clicking this will prompt Figma to begin the export process. You may be asked to confirm your choice or customize settings like the PDF's resolution or the specific frames you'd like to export. Adjust these settings according to your needs. For most, the default settings will work just fine. After making your selections, confirm the export and Figma will convert your design into a PDF. Once the process is complete, a dialog will appear allowing you to save the file to your preferred location on your computer. Choose a folder that's easy to access later, perhaps your desktop or a dedicated project folder. And there you have it, your design is now a PDF and ready to be shared or printed. Exporting PDFs from Figma is quite simple once you know where everything is, so next time you'll breeze through it in no time. Thanks for following along and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.